Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and if you don't know me, then welcome. Thank you for clicking this video. Okay, I seen some good variations of my choice items, and I seen some wide variations of my choice items. Let's just see which one did I get, if I got lucky or not. By the way, if you don't know, this is a Boxycharm unboxing of February 2021. Yes, boo, it's 2021 February. Currently my anniversary is this February, and also Valentine's Day is. They're kind of close together, but we're gonna celebrate like probably in the middle. Anyways, Boxycharm is $25 a month. It has 5 full-size items, and they're supposed to be over $150, or is it $175? I don't know anymore. No, I think it's $125. $175 is premium, which I canceled this month. And yeah, so I canceled premium, so you're just gonna see the base box on my channel for like a couple of times this month and probably next month, because I didn't get to choose the item for next month, and I saw the other choices, and if I get the other choices I would be mad. So we're just gonna see the base box. Anyways, let's just get into it. Again, I said 5 full-size items. The base box comes looking like this. You come with a card. The card used to say a variation, but now it just says like a code. And now it just says a code. It tells you all the stuff that you have in the box and also the retail price. I'm just setting that down there, and the first thing I see was the first thing I did not want. Everybody seems to be getting this, unless you got the essence and something else, but I wanted the essence. Because my my fresh kombucha essence is like running really low. But the good thing is that I got it during pop-up week, so I could purchase it. I could purchase that essence instead of repurchasing my fresh essence, which retails for like $35, and I could get the essence for $9 on pop-up. Not the fresh one, the other one, and I could try it out because it's both like hydrating, lifting skin type of feel. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's just like really shimmery. It's that jelly consistency that, you know, all us 90 babies know about. They had like the cases, the pencil cases out of this. They had the sandals out of this. They had binder folders, slips out of this, like the jelly feel. It was really hard to get the brushes out of there, like how it was really hard to get your feet out of there, especially when you ran, you sweat, you was under the water. It hurt. Okay, these brushes probably hurt. Okay, I mean, looking at them up close, they kind of are like really good. They look really good. Seeing it online, seeing it on other people's videos, it just looked gimmicky. I could use that, but it's just, I still would not pull this out to do someone's makeup. It just looks unprofessional. It just looks like, why are you using that on my eyes? You know, it looks like it should just be for like me time, but that's cute. Okay, I could see that. I could see this. All right, and how much does this retail for? This retails for $29.95. Now I could picture that. Because if every single one was 10, it would be 40. So 5, 10, 15, 20, and then this bag is $9.95, or 6, 12, 18, and then 24, you know. And then the other for the bag, I could see it, you know, I could see it. But would have I gotten it if I just saw it online? No, I wouldn't have. I would have waited until I went into one of my subscription boxes. Because for my brushes, I barely buy brushes. I have a brush subscription for Morphe, so majority of my brushes go to that, or when I see a sale at Ulta, or a Sephora brush is on sale that I really was having my eye on. The next product was a variation, and I wanted the other product, but I mean, I am gonna end up running out of the exfoliator that I'm using. I only use it 1 time a week because that's the only time I do a mask. Sometimes I do mask 2 times a week. That's when I do exfoliating. I do a whole full skincare routine. But yeah. So the next item is Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub right here. Let's see what they say about this. Okay, this retails for $32. Got pores, get this, created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, witch hazel scrub, helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. I'm down for that. I'm down for that. Again, I probably won't use this until in 3 or 4 months. So I'm gonna keep it sealed. I'm gonna keep it in the box. But I kind of was running low on my night mask, and I kind of wanted the the Saturday Skin mask. But again, pop up, pop up, pop up. That's what I gotta say is pop up. Pop up is your friend. If you don't get what you want, you could buy what you want, even though you kind of wanted to buy what you want because it's your product. Like on my quiz, I put no exfoliators, but I want every type of mask. So I would think they would give me mask, but they gave me exfoliator. They was like, I haven't given you an exfoliator in a long time. We're just gonna put that there. Okay, all right. So the next product is another. Okay, those two. If we're doing a point system, those two are half a point because I wanted the other item that was against it, but I could use them, and they're not that bad that I thought. This is also half a point because I needed a eyeliner. I need another coat eyeliner, and it has a smudger on inside of it. And I really don't like Trestique pencils, but or Trestique the brand, because it's not really geared towards me. But anyways, I needed one. I was gonna buy another Marc Jacobs one, the mini ones, and I was like, you know what, I needed one. So it's like I needed another eye gel eyeliner and a mascara. I have so many mascaras that I have to try out, but I guess I'll finally try this out. I've gotten this 3 times, one at Allure, one at Ipsy, and one in Boxycharm. I literally got this mascara 3 times, so I guess it's time for me to try it. This is the Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. This duo retails for $44. Okay, I can understand that because a regular mascara is $24.25, and then the other portion is the eyeliner, which some eyeliners are like $24.25. So it's like I understand that price range. The next item is my choice item, which I'm excited about. Like, this is a full point because I chose this and I actually really needed this. And it's my favorite brand for my brows. It's the Brow Bar by Rema Bombshell Brow Kit. You guys know I bought a backup of the other brow powder kit with the concealer, the brow gel, and the little pencil. This actually comes with a actual brow pencil inside, and a tweezer. So let's open this up. It got that mirror packaging. Also, again, this retails for $40. It has a nice mirror, and then these are the shades that we're working with. Ooh, that black. Oh, and I have my silver hair again, or my weave, or my different. Ooh, I can see it. And it's not a full black like the other one. This is like a dark brownish black. I can see it. And that concealer is deeper than the other one. And this brow bone highlight. Ooh, yes, yes. And the brush is better than the last one. And ooh, this is a good, like, detailed brow pencil. I am down for this collection. Ooh. Ooh, I am down for this. Okay, I am down for this. I like this. I like this. This is why you choose an item, because one of the items pays for the box. The box is $25 and this is $40. And would I have bought it on the website? No. I did buy a brow pencil on the website, but that's because that was like $15. That's like the cheapest thing on their website. So yay. The last, finally a product that I really like, but I chose that product. The last product. Oh, by the way, the Trestique one, I was upset because they had other options. They had the Wander Beauty cheek thing. I mean, I understand I don't like cream blushes, and those are the brushes that I don't really like, but I would like to try it. Also, they had a Beauty Crop facial mist. I was like, eh. But they also had was it Glam something? It's Gerard Cosmetics spray, and the last time they had it in a box, I didn't receive it, and this time they have it in the box and I didn't receive it. So it's like, dang. And they don't have it on pop-up, so that's really sad. But this is actually what I wanted. It was between this and the primer. I could always get the primer on pop-up, but to be honest, I have like a lot of blurring primers now, and also is a blurring primer that's coming up from a black-owned brand, and I kind of want to try it out. So because of that, I'm so glad that I got this. This is the Saint Luxe limited edition liner duo. You guys know I used to never like lining my lips, but I like to wear lip liner by itself with a gloss on top. And when I could find an actual lip liner that I actually like, is crazy. And especially, especially with the masks and everything, lip liners tend to do transfer less. So I just wear a lip liner by itself. This is the Saint Luxe Beauty limited edition liner duo. They only have duos, and all their duos retails for $40. I looked it up on the website. Everything, by the way, that I have in my box will be listed down below in the description box, plus my social medias if you want to get in contact with me. And I also sell stuff from Mercari, so if you want stuff, some makeup releases and stuff, you know, it's on Mercari. Go check it out. But yeah, I said that because these are the shades. It's a brown shade, which is like yum. Like yum. I'm trying to be careful because this does not twist up. This right here is Secret Admirer. I love how it goes with the theme. The theme is XOXO, if you didn't see by the card. But the brushes, which I thought was cheesy, but now it's like, all right. And then this pencils. Like these pencils, like that's what's up. This right here is Love Letter, which is like more of a mauve brown. But I would wear this too by itself. Like 2 eyeliners I could wear by itself. Like what? Okay. I'm happy with 2 of my items, and both of them will retail for $80. So I got my money's worth. I got my money's worth. I got my money's worth. I can't be mad. Rating this box out of 5, I told you half a point for the Tula, half a point for the Trestique, and half a point for the Glamour, and then a full points of the other 2. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 3.5 points. 3.5 points out of 5. Not bad. It's over a C, or it's like still a C, but like a C plus. So like, dang. Okay. All right. Okay, Boxycharm. The total of my box is $185.95. That's how much is in this box. That's how much everything retails for. All of this is retails for $185.95. Wow. And I paid $25. I mean, technically, I paid $25 and then the $9 and then the $9. So basically I paid $43 because I'm getting the essence and the other thing. So yeah. So I paid as much as I almost got because both of the products I really love is $80. But we'll see. We'll see if I keep Boxycharm base box next month, especially because next month is the Luxe month, so sometimes it just gets worse. The box before the Luxe month is always like okay, the box before that is great, and then the Luxe month is shitty. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna put positive energy in the world. Anyways, if you like this video, if you like me, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification and click all so you can see every time I upload, because sometimes I do surprise videos. But usually I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and every single Sunday at 11 a.m. So good morning, or good night whenever you're watching this video right here, head right here, go check them out. Woo! Wow, that was like a